Piti Pami comes from the Creole, so Haitian Creole, for the least of these.
So we help run mobile medical clinics over in Haiti, which is run by Haitian physicians and nurses. And through that, we've been able to serve and treat thousands of patients.
Our goal was never to be the change makers. Our goal was to elevate folks to make change.
Really, a lot of what SVSU has done for myself, as well as our organization, has really set us up to be good examples for people, not just at SVSU, but in really the medical field in general.
I really believe that SVSU played a significant role. I felt seen, I felt appreciated, I felt like an interest was taken in me. I wasn't just another face in a lecture hall, I wasn't just another name on a list to interview. I had my patterns of thought challenged in a way that would help me become a more mature and well-rounded individual. I feel like this was the ideal place for me to grow.